Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have this 2020 Buick Encore GX and we're going to do a headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once you finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. Just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the tint to the headlight, and the first thing we need to do is make sure we align this section of the tint to the edge of the headlight here. So align it on the edge. Once you have it aligned, grab your Tack Solution and apply Tack Solution underneath and then on top of the film. Keep it aligned, hold it in position, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. Once we secure the film, all we need to do now is continue aligning it and stretching it to the other end to reach it to this edge of the lens to cover it. So all we need to do now is stretch the film to the edge. Once you have it stretched to the edge, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution. Make sure to keep it aligned. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution on top as well. And just hold the film and start tagging it down to secure it. And as you're securing it, the film's not going to move anymore, and just continue on removing any solution that's underneath the headlight here. If you encounter fingers on the section here of the curve of the headlight, all we need to do is apply Tack Solution, and with your squeegee, start tagging them down. And if the fingers are still there after you continue squeegeeing them, the last thing you can do is apply heat to shrink the fingers and then just tag them down with your squeegee. So apply heat, that way the fingers start to shrink. After you finish applying heat, apply Tack Solution one more time. Wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and squeegee at a 45-degree angle. That way the fingers are able to tack down and you don't accidentally crease them. And then just make sure to remove any solution that still may be underneath the tint. You can clean off the film, that way you can see if there's any bubbles. Once you remove all the solution, the last thing to do is to post-heat the headlight. So once we finish with the installation, now we move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire film. So apply Tack Solution to the lens, grab your heat gun and start applying heat all over the tint. Make sure to apply heat evenly to the tint, that way we help the adhesive activate faster. And as you're applying heat, you could use your microfiber towel to help it tack down and remove any solution that may be trapped underneath the edges. And if there's any fingers popping out, just help them bring them back down, and you just continue this process until you heat up the entire headlight. Once you're done with that step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you love your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2020 Buick Encore. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.